So here we have, Bonnie, less than a day, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
So tell us, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Wait, you feel great?
I feel great.
Oh my gosh.
I literally don't even feel like I had a procedure done.
Wow.
Yeah.
And we did a few things for you.
Yeah, a lot.
And so here's a situation. We had someone who was feeling judged. You went to one office, and what'd they ask you if you did?
Yeah, they asked me if I did drugs for a long time, and I said, no, I have never done them in my life.
Yeah.
I just have bad teeth, bad genetics.
Yeah, and so here you have people searching. You're doing what you're supposed to do. Go to the dentist, and they just made you feel worse.
Yeah.
So did we make you feel worse?
No.
No.
I felt so comfortable from the minute I walked in, and they always answer all my questions, and I called them today and I said, hey, one little spot, it's uncomfortable. And they said, okay, come in at 2:30.
Yeah.
So
wow.
I really appreciate it.
I mean, it's absolutely, this is what it's about, helping people.
Yeah.
And I can't believe how great you look.
Yeah, they feel great.
Wow. So someone's out there wondering what to do, where to go. What would you tell them to do?
I'll tell them to come here. Yeah. I mean, it's scary, but you just got to take that jump and bring somebody with you who you trust, or your family or a friend, but just get it done. There's no sense in waiting. You'll feel so much better.
Oh, that is so great. I mean, we're looking at your before picture.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's a crazy transformation.
Yeah. I mean, technically it was difficult, so, I mean, we do get lucky all the time, and guess what we do, and, I mean, it's really
nice. It was a difficult
nice.
procedure, for sure. I had a lot of infection, and
Oh, yeah.
but we got it all taken care of, and I'll be a lot healthier,
and you look amazing.
Confident, finally.
Wow.
That was the first time I smiled in a picture in years. Besides that photo, that was the first time
and we made
today,
you smile like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy. No regrets whatsoever.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh wow.
I appreciate you guys.
Thank you. This is awesome.